I just printed these really cool Oreo boxes. This one is called Oreo Box Easy Open because of the way the threads are. And this small box is 1:1 Oreo scale. It was printed at 24%, 25%. This bigger box, a little bigger than this box, this was printed at 34%, and apparently it perfectly houses exactly one Oreo. So that's kind of really funny. If I just put it in here, it just perfectly houses one Oreo. So that's why I printed these sizes. And then I printed this Oreo fridge magnet as well. And I was testing my PETG and tuning my black PETG filament, and I think it came out really nice. And I think my filament is tuned, and these boxes are wonderful. Love them. They just twist on nicely. You might have to give it a few turns to get it to move easily because of the smaller size, but they're really easy on and easy off. They're locked in place. Very cool. And here's the fridge magnet. I'm going to show you how the fridge magnet works. This was one of the remixes, and this is also 1:1 real Oreo scale, as you can see. The 1:1 Oreo scale. And I'll link the STL model links and other details and settings in the description below. Very cool. Very cool. Everybody is getting a kick out of these. Just to show you how the fridge magnet works. I've used 2 10mm neodymium magnets because I did not have a 20mm head.